Let's do this question. There are cows and chicken in a farm. Bob counted 39 heads and 126 legs. How many cows are there in this farm? Alright, pause the video, give it a try, and then let's do it together. Alright, we are back. I hope you have given it a try. Now, let's take the number of cows as X and the number of chicken as Y. Now, cows have 4 legs and chicken have 2 legs. Now, it's given that the heads counted were 39. So, X plus Y is equal to 39, right? Now, the number of legs is 126. Therefore, the total number of legs by the cows is 4X. And the total number of legs by chicken is 2Y, right? As the total number of legs is 126, 4X plus 2Y is equal to 126. Alright, now let me write this equation over here. 4X plus 2Y is 126. Now, over here I have X plus Y is equal to 39. Let's multiply it throughout with 2 and I get 2X plus 2Y is equal to 78. Alright, now let me do A minus B. If this is equation A, this is equation B. A minus B will give me 4X minus 2X, that is 2X, and 2Y minus 2Y gets cancelled. So 2X is equal to 126 minus 78, which is 48. Therefore, let's take this X to the right hand side by dividing 48 by 2. X is equal to 48 by 2, which is equal to 24. And that is the number of cows because we have taken the number of cows as X, which is answer option C. Let's do this question. Anita is 3 times as old as her daughter. 2 years from now, she will be 4 times as old as her daughter. Find the present age of the daughter. Alright, pause the video, give it a try, and then let's do it together. Alright, we are back. I hope you have given it a try. Now, let's do it together. Let the daughter's present age be X. Alright, now the mother's age would be 5X, right? Because it's given that Anita is 5 times as old as her daughter. So Anita is 5x years old. Alright, now 2 years later, the daughter will be x plus 2 years old, right? And Anita would be 5x plus 2 years old. Now it's given that at that time, Anita would be 4 times as old as her daughter. So that means 4 into the daughter's age would be Anita's age. So 4 into x plus 2 is equal to 5x plus 2. Now let's distribute into 4 to x and 2. So we get 4x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2, or on solving, let's take 4x to this side and 2 to this side. So we get x is equal to 6. That is the age of the daughter because the present age of the daughter is x, and we have solved and found that x is equal to 6, which is the answer. Let's do this question. Felix is planning a trip. He plans to hire a tour guide. The tour guide charges a fixed cost per day which he has to pay irrespective of the number of miles they travel. On top of that, he has to pay a variable cost per mile traveled. He found that if he plans a 3-day trip covering 200 miles, it will cost him $720. And if he plans a 4-day trip covering 300 miles, it will cost him $1,060. Find the fixed and variable cost. Alright, pause the video, give it a try, and then let's do it together. Alright, we are back. I hope you have given it a try. Let's do it together. Now let's take the fixed cost as X and let the variable cost involved be Y. Alright, now if he is planning a 3-day trip and covering 200 miles, it's costing him $720. So let's form the equation. We can say that 3x plus 200y is equal to 720, right? This is the fixed cost. And because it's 3 days, that's 3 into x. So we have 3x over here and they are covering 200 miles and per mile he has to pay y dollars. So that's a total of 200 y dollars. And the sum of this is equal to 720. Alright. Now if he is planning a 4-day trip and covering 300 miles, it costs him $1,060. So 4x plus 300y is equal to 1060. Alright. Let this be equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now observe the coefficients. Alright, now remember we need to make the coefficient of x or y equal for both the equations to cancel it out. Now let's multiply equation 2 with 3 throughout. So 4 into 3 is 12, 300 into 3 is 900, and 1060 into 3 is 3180. So the equation becomes 12x plus 900y is equal to 3180. Now let's multiply equation 1 throughout with 4. Alright. So 4 into 3 is 12. So 12x plus 800y is equal to 2880. So you can see that over here we applied a technique. We saw we have 3 over here. So we multiplied equation 2 with 3. We saw we have 4 over here. So we multiplied equation 1 with 4. So in that case, the coefficient of x in equation 1 and 2 will become 12. So that's what we've got over here. Now let's subtract, and these two get cancelled out. 900 minus 800 is 100. So we get 100y is equal to 300, or y is equal to 300 by 100, which is equal to 3. Now to find x, let's substitute y over here. Alright, so we get 3x plus 200 into 3, that is 600, is equal to 720. Therefore 3x is equal to 120, or x is equal to 40. Therefore the correct answer to this question is 40 and $3, which is answer option A.